Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ever wondered how to keep your life organized and stylish using just your laptop or phone? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a digital planner in Notion. And I'll even walk you through using a free professional template so your setup is quick, polished, and entirely your own. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a beautiful digital planner ready to go, but you'll also know how to personalize it perfectly for your lifestyle. Let's get started right away. First, the secret to making your digital planner process faster and a lot more visually appealing is using one of Notion's free templates. These templates aren't just shortcuts, they're designed by professionals, so everything is organized beautifully, and all the little planning details are already thought out for you. So open up Notion on your device. Take a look at the top left of your workspace. You'll see a small drop-down menu there. Give that a click. This is your gateway to all sorts of extra Notion features and options, so remember where it is for future projects too. Now, from that dropdown, you want to select Browse Templates. This will pull up Notion's entire gallery of templates. Think of this as a little store of ready-made planners, journals, roadmaps, and pretty much anything you can imagine. It might take a second to load, especially if your internet lags, but hang in there. Next, use the search bar at the top of the Templates panel and type in Digital Planner. Notion will show you different planner templates that range from minimal and clean to colorful and creative. Take a moment to scroll through and find one that really clicks with your style or workflow. Don't rush this part, it's like picking out your new notebook for the year. When you spot one you like, click on it to preview all its features and layout. When you're happy with your choice, hit the Add button. This will immediately copy the template into your own Notion workspace, ready for you to use and customize. You don't need to worry about messing things up. Any template you add is yours to experiment with, so feel free to play around. Now it's time to make this planner truly yours. Fill in your credentials like your name, maybe a motivational quote, or even a favorite emoji at the top for a quick mood boost whenever you open it. This is where the fun really begins. You can adjust the layout, change colors, swap icons, or add your own creative touches. Remember, the more personal your planner feels, the more likely you are to stick with it day after day. And that's it, your digital planner is ready to help you stay on track, reach your goals, and add structure to your busy life. If you ever feel overwhelmed when customizing, just take it step by step, and don't be afraid to check back into the template gallery for inspiration. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like so others can find it too. Got any questions about Notion or digital planning in general? Drop them in the comments below. I love helping out and might feature your question in the next video. And if you want even more easy-to-follow Notion tutorials and free templates, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy planning.